Hey guys, Kat Kerr, and today we're going to be making this sweet little cube using some of our Monoprints. But before we get started, I wanted to talk about one little thing, and that is when I made my prints in this session, I actually didn't really like them all that much. I'm currently trying out new color palettes because I have a really bad habit of using the same colors over and over and over again. And so I recently joined a group that offers mood inspiration boards, just like this one right here. This is the current one, and I loved it. I said, oh, okay, this is a great way to try new colors. And so I picked them out from my stash, whatever was closest, and I picked out some foam stamps, some stencils. I had my 8x10 gel press plate, my brayer. I was ready to go. And I created some prints, about 3 or 4 of them, and I just didn't like them. Now, originally I was going to use those prints for something else, but whenever I come across a print that I just don't like, I end up cutting it up, because you'd really be surprised how much you fall in love with the little pieces as compared to looking at it as a whole. So that's kind of where this cube came about, and today I'm going to show you how I took those prints, made this little cube, and I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks guys, bye-bye. Now I love making coordinated prints, and I do this by using the same pieces of paper and rotating them while I'm making the prints. So in this case I'm just using 3 pieces of paper, and I'm using the same color palette as well as the same textures on all of the prints. Next, I cut them down to the size of the cube. I had a 3x3 square, and as I'm looking through them, I'm falling more and more in love with them because, as I said before, it's just something about when you cut them down. Here I'm just gluing a print onto each side of the cube. Now at this point I needed to add something that would pop off the cube, so I used some of the Petites and some black acrylic paint, and then I took a white Sharpie and I just added some mark making to really help them stand out. But of course I couldn't stop there. I went to town doodling inside each element. Next, I added a little bit of shadow to each element by using a black Stabilo pencil and a water brush. I finished off the block by adding some text stickers, a little bit of washi tape, and some faux stitches using a fine tip marker. I absolutely love the way this block came out. So again, my suggestion when you have a stack of prints that you're just not that crazy about, cut them down. You just might fall in love with them.